I'm actually sweating. Oh, if only you guys knew all the sweat that was going on behind the scenes. Hey guys, it's Smashley. To some of you, this video may be a complete shock, and to others, it may be a very long time coming, but I'm officially starting my YouTube channel. There are quite a few reasons why I actually wanted to start my own channel, so I figured for my first video, we would go through some of those reasons. You guys will get to know me a little bit better and what to expect from my channel. For me, I am someone who's always needed a creative outlet, and over the years that's really manifested itself in many different ways, whether it be dance or taking art classes, as an adult, home decor, event planning, all of those things with the different creative aspects. It just becomes different side projects for me to pour my love into and satisfy the need for putting my creativity really into something. The DIY mentality for me started at a very young age. I come from a super creative family. In the Dominican Republic, my grandmother growing up was a seamstress, and she made clothes for all of her family, and then moved to the United States when she was 19, and she brought that trade with her. So she worked in factories in Manhattan as a seamstress and taught me how to sew at a very young age. Thanks, babe. Growing up in Rhode Island, I'm the oldest of four. We didn't always have the means to go get our hair done or go get our nails done. So my mom would sit us down and be like, okay, you want your nails done? I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. Thinking about that, I feel like that time growing up and learning those things was very pivotal for me because it really instilled this can-do attitude that I have, and it's definitely changed the way that I value certain things that I buy out in the stores. I'm constantly telling my friends and family, oh, don't buy that. I can make that for much less. Not only is it a way for me to challenge myself, but it's a way, again, to satisfy that creative need that I have and give it to the people that I love and that I cherish. Most recently, I got married, and I had this vision for the wedding and a tight budget, like most brides do, and I just knew that if we were going to keep within our budget and also keep the vision, I was going to have to do a lot of things myself. And I just remember the day of the wedding, walking in and seeing everything all done up and all of the hard work. We spent almost a year DIYing a lot of things for the wedding, which we will recreate for you guys on the channel, and it was something that was so rewarding. It gives me chills. Speaking of weddings, what you don't see in this shot is my husband on the other side of the camera dealing with me and putting together the entire setup so that we could record this. This channel is very much going to be a team effort between he and I. Early on in our relationship, we clicked. We're both super creative in that aspect. We've always loved to create things together. When we moved into our first home in Rhode Island, the home projects were going literally through the roof. And he's just the best. So it's a way for us to kind of bond together and create something together, which we love to do. He was not on the front side of the camera today, but he definitely will be in future videos. Well, for starters, I have time, which is really rare for me. Like most people going through the pandemic and quarantining at home, we're having to kind of learn to navigate with all of this extra time. I've taken the time to kind of recenter a little bit, really be more grateful for all the things that we have. But I'm getting that itch. You know, at the beginning of the video, we talked through how I need to have some sort of creative outlet, and YouTube will be this for me. My friends and family have been telling me for years that I need to do it, and it's just not something that I ever thought I had the time for. I'm really passionate about the stuff that I create, so I want to make sure if I'm going to put content out that I have the time to dedicate to make sure it's really good for you guys. And to be honest with you, I am on YouTube all the time. I benefit so much from all the videos and all the creators on YouTube and all the things that they've taught me. So I feel like it's finally time to give back, and it just feels right. Oh, I have so many good ideas. If you haven't figured out by now, the majority of the content on my channel is going to be DIY related. Overall, I would say my channel is going to be a place for the patient creatives. And I say patience because I don't have very much of it for anything else in life, but when it comes to a project that I'm working on and something that I'm passionate about, I will take the days, years, weeks, months to get it done, whatever it takes. Also a place for the people who have that same can-do attitude that I shared with you guys at the beginning of the video. And lastly, for maybe the people who aren't typical DIYers, hopefully it's a place of inspiration. You're able to bond with me over that and recreate some of the things that we do on the channel at home. DIY in general, it's a labor of love. It's something that's going to take a long time. But you know, it kind of brings me back to the moment with the wedding where we walked in and everything was so rewarding. A lot of the stuff that I think I'm going to create on the channel, I will be gifting to family, friends, hopefully subscribers one day. But yeah, DIY is a labor of love and I have a lot of love to share. So thank you in advance for your support. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. I really am looking forward to putting out quality content for you guys, and I hope you enjoy all things designed by Smashley. Psst. Are you still there? If you're still here and you've made it this far, then you definitely deserve another video. And what else better do you have to do, right? Go ahead and watch my first project. You can click the link right over here.